Hello friends, now we are going to study the thermal power plant. So basically in thermal power plant, coal and water basically has been used for the two basic component. So now we are going to look into the picture of thermal power plant. So guys, we have this common view of the thermal power station in which you can see here that at one point this is the coal hopper. This is particularly the coal hopper, and this is a coal hopper in which pulverized coal has been given. This is the pulverizer. This is where the pulverization occurs, and this is the air. This is the basically flue gases enter. So before coming to the combustion chamber, the proper mixing of this pulverized coal and air take place. Then this fuel comes to this combustion chamber. So this is where we get the fire. This is where we get the temperature. Now at another end, if you will see the cooling tower here, from the cooling tower, it will take the from cooling tower will store the heat. But first of all, this is the water storage from which the water will go like this. Initially this is the feed water pump where the pressure is maximum in whole of the generating thermal station. So the water will go here. This air will heat the water, and this water will convert into the steam, and this steam will go to turbine, and this will remove the turbine, and so that the alternator will remove. So this is the basically the simplest diagram of this generating power station. This is the condenser, the gases which come here, which will be converted into the water through the condenser, and again feedback to the feed water pump, and then again the process will start like this precipitator. What does precipitator is? It consumes all the flue gases. It consumes flue gases means the remaining the gases. The flue gases will be absorbed by this precipitator, and this then again transferred to this chimney. So this is the first diagram. Now we are going to see the second diagram. So this is the second general diagram. You have to see very carefully that I told you there is two input here. One will be the coal storage plant, coal handling plant. So here the coal will go here, and then it will go into the boiler. But the heat air is coming. This will be mixed. Then it will be fed to the boiler, and all the elements, basically all the element like this as storage plant, as handling plant, after the combustion of fuel, it will the as handling plant where the as will be handled. And now this air preheater, whatever the flue gases coming after combustion, that will be preheated by forced draught fan. So the before coming to the chimney, the flue gases before coming to the chimney, what it will do, it will just consume some flue here through forced draught fan. The forced draught fan will force this hot air to be mixed with the proper pulverized coal. So this is the work of forced draught fan. Forced draught fan preheat, forced draught fan just preheat just the flue gases. And now what is the work of economizer? So economizer in thermal plant work as a waste heat store which further used in preheating the feed water of boiler. Basically this is the work of economizer. So what is happening exactly, all the things, this coal is coming to here, and this is coal is coming to here, and one more thing, the water is coming from here through this feed water pump, feed water reheater. So after pressurized into the feed water pump, this feed water has been reheated, and then again it is sent to economizer so that it will increase few temperature, and then it will send to the boiler, and in the boiler this water will be converted into steam, and that steam is sent to this turbine through the valve. You can see here this is the superheater. After converting to the steam, this steam is once again reheated into superheater, and then it is transferred to the turbine, and once again whatever the flue gases will be remaining, except this steam that will be sent to the economizer, then this will be going to the chimney that will be attracted by the precipitator. So this is all about the generating power system in detail. Thank you.